Welcome to BitTalent. We're here to help you find your next job with ease. Let's take a quick tour of our job searching system. Let's start by highlighting the simple 3-step process to find your next job. Step 1. Select profession. Begin by choosing the role you're interested in. This helps us tailor the job search to your specific career path. Step 2. Search. Our advanced system will fetch the most recent and relevant job openings that match your chosen profession. Step 3. Apply. Review the job details, such as salary expectations and company ratings, then apply directly through our platform. With BitTalent, finding your dream job is as easy as select profession, search, and apply. Now, let's dive into the details and show you exactly how it works. Here's a deep dive on how to apply for your ideal job in a few seconds. First, select Job Search from the main menu. Next, choose the role you want to search for example, Office Manager. This helps us tailor the results to your specific career interests. Our system will now fetch the most recent open roles that match your search criteria. Select any role to get more details about it, such as salary expectations, company ratings, and more. When you're ready, you can get a direct link to apply through our platform. But before you do, check out these additional options to enhance your application. 1. Update CV. Our system compares your CV with the job specification and highlights areas for improvement. 2. Generate a cover letter. Get a personalized cover letter tailored to the job you're applying for. 3. Generate interview tips. Receive bespoke interview tips based on your CV and the job spec to increase your chances of landing an interview. And more listed here. These tools are designed to help you stand out to potential employers and boost your chances of success. Take note of these other navigation options. Back to roles. This takes you back to the search results returned by the system. New search. This allows you to change the role you want to search for and start a new search. Back to home. This returns you to the home page, where you can upload a new CV and access other features. Stay tuned for more videos in our tutorial series, where we'll guide you through all the features BitTalent has to offer. From creating the perfect CV to setting up job alerts, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting with BitTalent.